Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I believe that you're still doing great in this new year 2025, and I hope that everything is going smooth according to each and everybody's new year resolution. Guys, today we'll just be looking at how we are going to install the front door at the porch. It's the entrance, the 1.5 bulletproof door. We couldn't do that in the prior video because whilst they were installing the single doors, we couldn't get 1.5 that is similar or the same design as the single door, so I have to shop around. That's why this video is coming at a different time. Guys, sit back, relax, and let's get right into the video. I believe it's going in there to open the window because when it starts to chisel, it doesn't want to break, the window or crack it in any way. Yeah, I think that's what it's doing. Yeah, it's better. It's better now. Yep. Wow. So that's the height, right? Oh, you still gotta cut it more?
That's the height.
That's the height. You sure?
When I put 1 inch at the down, then I put the door on it, it will fresh at the down. It will fresh at the length, the down. The
Okay.
length.
This part will cover that part. So it will
cover.
flush against the wall.
Yeah.
You remember I gave you the blade, right? You think what you do, you make it tight. You think we make it tight. Should have used a plier. You didn't cut it close to the wall. Do you realize that?
Sorry.
You didn't cut it close to the wall. I was thinking you cut it to that place.
No, I won't get any chance to cut. But I'll use the more hammer to hit it and it will lie here.
Okay. That's why they say iron sharpens iron. You cannot use to cut iron. You can only use iron to cut iron.
Yeah.
You are using that to cut the binding wires.
Yeah.
It will affect the frame of the door.
No, which flame? This one.
Yeah. No. The frame, this frame, the door frame.
No.
It's slant. It's like this. That side come down. That side needs to go up a little bit. If you put your leveler,
This place is down. So
if you put your leveler,
Yeah.
see
I've
that?
not read the level yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Peja, Venus. Peja.
Wow. This door is heavy. It's a bulletproof door. It's heavy, right? That's why it's called the bulletproof door. It's not moving. I thought you wanted to shift it to your right. It's not straight.
That's what's already in. So mine's high. Okay. Obi, edua no betimi wo se apono no betimi apagya na me mpagya na nka a shift dua no.
Peja.
Aha, na nka fa dua no shim te se de ya me ma na yela. O pagya. Obi, ye pagya ha no so kakra. Onye wi.
Asada wa na shifting.
Ah, de.
Is the place space not on the side not too much?
You see the design here.
Uh-huh.
You see the design.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it's because of the design. That's why the space will be big. Because unless you break the design, you understand what I'm trying to mean?
No. So is the design this outer frame? Can't it fall at the back of the design? Like the way you did it before when you were measuring it before you break it. It was at the back of it like that.
It should be like this. No problem.
Okay, it's okay.
It's okay. It's not bad.
Are you sure the level of the door itself is okay?
The what?
The level of the door. Not the frame, the door.
The level of the door.
Yeah, it was like this.
I have not finished
Okay.
doing the level.
Hey guys, we're gonna come to the end of the security doors installation. Next phase is where the masons come in to dress the security doors because the installer doesn't do that. So it's the mason that will come in and, you know, put the final touches, the dressing, and where it's supposed to be plastered and filled in the pockets that are left in the door frames. And guys, if you still need the contact information for this installer, he goes anywhere in Ghana. Like you heard him in the previous video, he even goes as far as Burkina Faso. So regardless where you are in Africa, you can contact him if you need him, or if you're in Ghana, you can contact him. His information is on the screen. So guys, come to the end of this. Watch out for the plastering stage in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and smash the notification bell so that you can get notified when we post subsequent videos, guys. And again, give us your comment in the comment section. Until I talk to you in the next video, peace.